Hello, everyone. My name is Melisa, and welcome to Short Stories Easy English. Here you can learn English with simple and interesting stories about my life. I am from Ukraine, but I live and study in New York. On this channel, you will find short stories about my daily life, university days, friends, travels, funny moments, and small adventures. Each story is written in easy English, with clear sentences and subtitles to help you understand better. You can watch each story twice. First to enjoy the story and then to practice your listening skills. English is fun and learning can be easy. Subscribe and learn English naturally, one story at a time.